Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want a messenger that's fast, private and works even on slow internet, let's learn how to use Zangi Messenger step by step. For that, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Zangi Messenger and tap install. It's completely free and lightweight. Once installed, open the app and start creating your account. The best part, you don't need your phone number. Zangi gives you your own private Zangi number. Just add your name and profile photo. And to start chatting, go to the contacts and here add people using their Zangi number or invite friends with your invite link. Tap on a name to open chat, send a message, photo, or even a quick voice note. Zangi is known for crystal clear calls that use very little data. Just tap the phone or video icon inside any chat. You can even start group calls from your group chat. And if you want to customize privacy and settings, for that tap this gear icon at the bottom right. Go to privacy. This will lead you to block users, hide your status, or enable auto-delete messages. All your data stays on your device, fully encrypted and secure. And that's it. You have just learned how to use Zangi Messenger. Simple, safe, and super private. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more short tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.